Composite rule, which we also call function of a function in differentiation. If y equal to u raised to power n, we can say that dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx, which we also call chain rule, can be applied to solve any question relating to a composite rule. Let's solve the question 1, which says if y is equal to 1 minus 2x all raised to power 3, find the value of dy differentiated with respect to x, the x at x is equal to 1. Solution, say y is equal to 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. Let u represent 1 minus 2x. You will now differentiate the u with respect to x. You said the u dx will give us minus 2 since we differentiate the u with respect to x. Therefore, and the value of y would now remains u at the power of 3. Now, if u is at the power of 3, you now differentiate y with respect to u to say that the y du will gives you 3u squared. Now, by the time you get that value, you now apply what we call the chain rule. We call it a chain rule, which is the y dx equal to the y du times du dx, which we call the chain rule. Therefore, inability to apply this formula to this, you now say that the y dx is equal to, we are to multiply the y du, and the value for the y du is 3u squared times the value for du dx gives us minus 2. So by the time we substitute, which we're able to get the value of the u already, to say that the y dx now gives you 3 bracket open 1 minus 2x bracket close raised to power 2 times minus 2. Therefore, you now say that the 3 it gives you minus 6 bracket open 1 minus 2x bracket close all squared. Now, recall, it said at x equal to 1, what will now be the value of dy dx? So the value of dy dx will be minus 6 bracket open 1 minus 2 bracket open 1 bracket close overall bracket close all squared. By the time we now apply, you said minus 6 onto 1 minus 2 bracket close all squared. It now gives you minus 6 times minus 1 squared. Recall that minus 1 squared will also gives you plus 1. So the final answer at this period will now be minus 6. So that will be the final answer. At x is equal to 1, it means the y dx is equal to minus 6. Thanks.